What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on Juice and Toya.
Hey, welcome back.
Today we're taking you all through a 15-minute ab strength workout. All right, so we're gonna get some core work in today. This is a great workout if you're looking to build some strength in your core or build some hypertrophy. You can utilize this workout into your workout routine or use this as a finisher to your workout as well.
Oh yes, so for the workout format, super simple. We're taking you through 2 sets of 8 total movements, all right? We're going 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest throughout the entire workout, but we're gonna split up that 40 seconds into 2 pieces. So that first 20 seconds is gonna be active movements to where we're moving through the core exercise, and then the second 20 seconds will be an isometric hold to where we're just holding that core exercise, all right? So we'll do that all the way throughout the workout.
Oh yeah, so a few of these will have some modifications and you can follow me for those.
Yes.
But if you're ready, we'll get right into it.
Let's get it. All right, everybody, that was the 15-minute ab strength workout. Hopefully your abs are nice and activated. And I even got in a little sweat too as well, all right?
Yep.
So this is a great workout that you can do often throughout the week. Let's say 2 to 3 times a week, especially if you're looking to build your core, build your abs up. This will help over the course of weeks or months or whatever your goal is.
Absolutely. So if some of these exercises were a little too difficult, again, you can follow me for the modification or just hold as long as you can, do what you can on these, drop when you need to, and then come right back to it.
Oh, yes.
Like you said, the more you do this, the more you'll progress at it, all right?
Sure.
If you enjoyed it, please also make sure that you give it a thumbs up.
Yes, please.
And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
We appreciate it.
And if you did enjoy this workout, check out some of the other workouts that we have on the channel.
Got more abs.
And go check out our Juice and Toya app. We have tons of workouts on our app, as well as nutrition guides, recipes, motivation, all the things that you need in one place to take your fitness to the next level.
We got you.
All right. Thank you all for joining us, and we will see you at the next one.
At the next one.